Hi everyone, Brandon Strange, B Strange Realty and ERA Key Realty Services. Wanted to take a quick tour for you guys today of 9 Frontier Lane in Millis, Massachusetts. New construction just finished. Currently on the market for $1.399 million. So let's take a look around. As you come in the front entryway, turn around, yeah. We got the nice dining room here. And then as we come over here, this flows over into the gorgeous kitchen. We've got high-end on-hand appliances, monogram appliances. Double oven, beautiful recessed sink, high efficiency refrigerator, and a nice range top here. Stainless steel appliances, of course. And now we've got the kitchen. Right off here is the living room, nice high ceilings. We have the stairs going up to the second floor, which overlooks the gorgeous ceiling. Got a nice gas fireplace. Beautiful sliders going out to the deck overlooking the lovely wooden lot behind you. As you can see, currently there's no grass, but like I said, it's new construction. It'll be eventually seeded and done. The developer is actually willing to entertain different ideas and to do different installments, but that would be obviously an additional cost, depending on what it is. And over here we have a half bath. And then this is the front rear entryway. I'm not going to show you, but in these doors we've got washer and dryer hookups. This is a nice closet coming in. Put in your coats because here's the access to the garage. Nice 3-car garage. There's still some staging equipment for some of the finish work on the construction. And then over the garage, we actually have heated and air-conditioned extra room. That's all fully carpeted, exercise room, office, whatever you want to make it. It's pretty much the length of the garage, so it's a pretty good workspace. All right, now I'm going to take you over to the master bedroom. So you really have 2 options here. You have a master bedroom on the first. That's really the one that's kind of intended to be the master bedroom, but you also have an option to have a master on the second. I'll show you that in a minute. Nice big wide open space. Different size windows overlooking the wooded lot, like I said, in the back. And here we have a gorgeous, gorgeous master bath here. Dual vanity sink, matching mirrors, gorgeous soaking tub, area for the commode, and a beautiful shower with the rainfall faucet. And now, after that, we also have a rather large walk-in closet. As you can see, plenty of storage in here. We've got room for tie racks or belts, things like that. All of these have the pull-outs for the hangers to see what kind of clothes you're going to be looking at. Matching outfits. This is belts or ties, and there's another one on that side. Okay, here we are up on the second floor, overlooking the kitchen, where we just were a couple minutes ago. The fireplace living room. And up here there's some extra space. I don't know if you want to use that for an office or whatnot, just gives you some extra possibilities. Then in here is that second potential master bedroom that I mentioned. Good sized space, nice windows, letting the light come in. I think this is where the sun comes in as well, when it's not so cloudy out. Decent sized walk-in closet. And then the master bath. This one does not have the soaking tub, but it does have the nice shower stall, nice closet here for laundry, dual vanity sinks. They still have to put the mirror up, but you can use your imagination. It's going to be the right same thing. Last but not least, we have the last 2 bedrooms. Nice good sized bedrooms, dual closets. And then this leads into the Jack and Jill bathroom for the last 2 bedrooms. Got a regular sized tub, regular commode, and a nice single vanity and sink. And then that flows into the front bedroom here. So I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Brandon Strange at ERA Key, or you can ping me on my website, bstrangerealty.com. Hope to hear from you.